The inland province in Jiangxi in East China has integrated into the development of Belt and Road Initiative and joined in expanding the international logistics channels. Xiangtang Township once faced high logistics costs and low logistics efficiency in developing export-oriented economy. Now, an international land port hub in Xiangtang has become a major platform and passage for foreign trade. Jiangxi Jianhong Agriculture Development Co. Limited is located near the port. The regular operation of the China-Laos freight trains has greatly helped the company reduce the logistics costs and shorten logistics time.
那么2023年我们也实现了开门红，我们1月份已经完成了360余万美金的出口额。
The cargo throughput of Jiujiang Port, which is located on the lower reaches of the Yangtze River, hit a record high in 2022.
2022年九江港货物吞吐量达到1.81亿吨，创历史新高。
In 2022, Jiangxi's gross domestic product exceeded 3 trillion yuan, and its total value of foreign trade topped 600 billion yuan.